So spring is in sight. I was feeling like I needed kind of a tonic. I just wanted like a pure carrot soup. Because I just steamed carrots and onions, and I'm gonna put them into my new Zwilling and Finergy blender stock. You can use veg stock, chicken stock, you guys pinch of salt. Now, I'm gonna put the lid on. One of the things I love about this blender is that it doesn't operate without the lid on and locked in place, and that's an excellent safety feature. The other thing is when you blend hot liquids, make sure you open up your little window on top to let the steam out so you don't have a big explosion. I love all these variable speeds and different functions. Also, as a chef, what I really appreciate is that the jar is actually a measuring cup and it's on both sides. It's got it in ounces, it's got it in liters, so you can see what you're doing. Now, let's blend. I want my soup to be like velvet. You can add a little bit of dairy to this if you wanted to. I might add a little bit of cream or half and half, or you can just leave it as is. This is beautiful, it's pureed. It smells just like pure carrots, which is what I want. Look at that color. Because I'm a fancy pants chef, I'm gonna garnish this with just a little bit of some nori and black sesame butter that I made. Because, you know, chefs, we go harder. I'm just gonna blob that right on top. And there it goes. It's gonna melt right into my soup. I'll swirl that in. Oh, it's like carrot silk. So this is a great soup, and I made it with my great, powerful Infinity blender that I